So guys, I'll go to question number 4. Okay, so now question number 4, please read once. If A equals 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 and B equals 3 4 minus 5 1 and 0 is a null matrix of order 2 cross 2, find matrix C such that subquestion 1 2 3 4. Guys, I'll do subquestion 1 first. See, subquestion 1, can you write the equation, guys? The equation is 2C equals A plus B, correct? 2C equals A plus B. Now the question is, we need to find out the value of matrix X. So I'll keep 2C as it is. Now in place of A, I will write A matrix plus in place of B, I will write B matrix. Guys, what is A matrix? It's 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. This is A matrix. In place of B, I will write B matrix. So the B matrix is 3, 4, minus 5, 1. So now add these two, guys. 2C equals 1 plus 3. Guys, how much is 1 plus 3? That's 4, correct? Then minus 3 plus 4. Guys, can you chart in with me how much is minus 3 plus 4 quickly? Okay, Ujjwal, Pooja, correct. Chandrika, please think again. Yes, Joel, correct. Sinchana, correct. Only 5 responses. Why? How about from Yuraj, Vinod? Respond, guys. Nandita, please respond. Guys, it's minus 3 plus 4. For God's sake, in case if need arises, use calculator, but then please don't do any mistakes here. 4 minus 3 is 1, correct? It's not 0. Then minus 4 plus of minus 5. Minus 4 plus of minus 5. Simplify this, guys. Minus 4 plus into minus is minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Then minus 1 plus 1. Guys, minus 1 plus 1? Minus 1 plus 1? Yeah, it's 0. Therefore, C equals, guys, this is into 2, correct? If I shift into 2 to other side, what you will get? Division, correct? So 4 upon 2, 1 upon 2, minus 9 upon 2, 0 upon 2. Therefore, C equals 4 by 2 is 2. 1 by 2, I'll write like that only 1 by 2. I'll not keep this in fractions, guys. I'll not keep this in decimals, I'm sorry. So let 1 by 2 be like that only. Then minus 9 upon 2. Then 0 by 2 is 0. Guys, quickly chat in me. Have you understood this? Say yes. Done. Shall I go to the next question now? A plus C equals 0. I'll go to subquestion 2 now. So subquestion 2 is A plus C equals 0. A plus C equals 0. So now we need to find out the value of C, guys. But we know that A matrix is given in the question. So just look at the question, guys. What is the value of A? Value of A is 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, correct? I'll substitute that in place of A. 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1. So in place of A, I wrote A matrix plus C as it is, and that is equals to 0. So 0 is null matrix. What do you mean by null matrix? 0, 0, 0, 0, correct? So now I will keep C here only. I will shift this matrix to other side, correct? So this matrix contains plus sign, correct? So plus matrix, if it goes to other side, opposite side of the equals, it becomes minus, correct? So that will be minus of 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. So guys, now simplify this. Minus of this, minus into 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus 3. Minus into minus is plus 4. Minus into minus is plus 1. So this is sub question 2. All right. So we'll go to sub question 3 now. See, sub question 3 is a B plus 5C is equals to A. B plus 5C is equals to A. Guys, can someone unmute and then tell me what is B value? Just look at the question and then tell me, guys. What is B value? Guys, A and B values are given in the question. Anyone, just unmute and then tell me the value.
So 3.
Okay, 3.
4.
Okay.
Minus 5.
Okay.
1.
Okay, and here what is A value?
1.
Okay.
Minus 3.
Okay.
Minus 4. Minus
Okay.
1.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so guys, so now I'll shift this matrix to other side. This is plus, correct? So plus, if we shift it to other side, it becomes minus, correct? So 5C equals 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1. So plus becomes minus 3, 4, minus 5, 1. So now we need to simplify this, guys. Do this operation now, do subtraction. So 5C equals, so 1 minus 3. Guys, how much is 1 minus 3? Come on, quickly chat in me. Good. Nandita, please think again. Guys, use calculators. I really don't mind, but then don't tell me the wrong answers, please. So 1 minus 3. Guys, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 4. So minus 3 minus 4. So minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Then minus 4 minus of minus 5. Guys, can someone tell me this? Minus 4 minus of minus 5. Minus 4 minus of minus 5. No, Joel, it's wrong. Vijwal and Nandita, yes, correct. Joel, that's wrong. Yuvraj, wrong. Minus 4. See, minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus, correct? Minus 4 plus 5. So now minus 4 plus 5. How much is minus 4 plus 5, guys? Yeah, that's 1. Then, okay, can you try this now? Minus 1, minus 1, then my 1 here. Yes, Ujjwal, correct. Pooja, correct. Sinchana, correct. Anita, yes, correct. Others, for God's sake, please try. Yeah, Joel, correct. Yes, Vinod, proper. Chandrika, correct. Yuvraj, correct. So that's minus 2. So now C equals. Come on, guys, quickly chat in me. This is into correct. 5 into C. 5 into C. If you shift 5 to other side, what you will get now? What will be the sign? Yes, Nandita, that's correct. Sinchana, correct. Into right, multiplication becomes division. Correct, Ujjwal, Chandrika, Pooja, Joel, good. So now I'll divide this. So the matrix here will be minus 2 by 5, minus 7 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So this is value of C. So this is sub question 3, guys. I hope you are getting this. Chat in me, guys. Shall I go to the next question? Guys, can someone confirm me whether the screen is visible or not? Can you see the question, right? Guys, someone chat in and then confirm me, please. Yeah, done. So now, guys, let us do question number 4, sub question 4 here. 3a plus 5b plus 2c is equals to 0. Three a plus 5b plus 2c is equals to 0. Three a plus 5b plus 2c is equals to 0. So guys, now in place of a, you need to substitute a matrix. So 3 into, I want a matrix. Can someone unmute and then tell me, guys? Yeah.
1.
Okay, that's 1 second. Okay, 1.
Minus 3.
Minus
Minus
3.
4.
Okay.
Minus 1.
This is a value plus 5 into B matrix. What is B matrix?
3,
Okay.
4.
Okay.
Minus 5, 1.
Okay. Plus 2c, we should write 2c as it is, because in all the questions we need to find out the value of c, correct? And 0. So now, guys, we need to multiply this. So multiply this matrix by the scalar 3. This is called as scalar multiplication. This is not matrix multiplication. So now I'll multiply this matrix by the scalar 3. So now multiply this. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Then 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Plus, so now, guys, multiply this by 5. So 5 into 3 will be 15. 5 into 4 will be 20. And 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. Then 5 into 1 is 5. Plus 2c is equals to 0. So this is C, guys. This is C. Okay. So now this is plus sign, correct? So we need to do addition of matrices. So now, guys, add this 3 plus 15. So 3 plus 15 is 18. Minus 9 plus 20. Guys, tell me how much is this? Minus 9 plus 20. Nandita, please check again. Minus 9 plus 20. That is 11, guys. Minus 12 plus of minus 25. So tell me, guys, how much is this? Ujjwal, correct? Sinchana, correct? Nandita, no, that's wrong. Try again. Minus 12 plus of minus 25. Others? Yes, Chandrika, correct. Vinod, correct. So guys, that's minus 37. Then minus 3 plus 5. Guys, how much is minus 3 plus 5? Minus 3 plus 5 is, yes, correct, 2. plus 2c is equals to 0. So now I'll shift this matrix to other side. So now 2c equals, this is plus, correct? So plus on the other side becomes minus. So minus of 18, 11, minus 37, 2. Therefore c equals, this is into 2. You shift it to other side. What you will get? Divided by 2, correct? And multiply this with minus sign. Minus 18 by 2. 11 by 2. Minus 37 by 2. 2 by 2. So now c equals, minus 18 by 2 is minus 9. And this will be 11 by 2. This is minus 37 by 2, and then 2 by 2 is 1. This is the value of c. So sorry, I made a mistake here. Minus into 18 is minus 18. Minus into plus is minus 11 by 2. Minus into minus is plus 37. Then minus into plus is minus. Okay, so shall I go to the next question? Are you done with copying this? Say yes. Okay. Only 2 responses. How about others? You want time? Guys, take screenshot. I'll go to the next question. All right. So question number 5. See guys, what is question number 5? They said simplify. That's all. The question is simplify. In between, what is the sign here? Plus, correct? So I'll just do the addition operation here. So multiply this matrix by 2. Scalar multiplication. So guys, multiply this. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 0. 2 into 4 8. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Plus multiply second matrix by the scalar 3. Multiply this guys. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 3 is 9. So now add these two matrices. 4 plus 0. How much is 4 plus 0 guys? 4 plus 0. Is it 0? No. Thank God. You said 4. Then 2 plus 6 8. 6 plus 3 9. 0 plus 12 is 12. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 plus 9 is 13. Done? Shall I go to the next question? Chat in me guys. I cannot see your thumbs up reactions now. I have disabled it. Matlab, it is enabled, but then I can't see. So you have to respond. All right. So I'll go to the next question. Again, the question is same here also. We need to simplify this. So first scalar multiplication, and then you need to subtract these two matrices. So guys, multiply the first matrix by 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 4 into 2 8. 4 into 3 12. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into 2 6. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 5 is 15. So guys, now subtract these two matrices. So do the subtraction now, subtraction of these two matrices. 4 minus 6. So guys, how much is 4 minus 6? Yes, so minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Then minus 4 minus 0. Come on guys, start in me please. How much is minus 4 minus 0? Pooja, Nandita, Ujjwal, Sinchana, correct. Others, please respond. Joel, proper, Anita, correct. It's minus 4. Then 8 minus of minus 3. Respond. 8 minus of minus 3. Sinchana, correct. Ujjwal, correct. Pooja, yes. Nandita, correct. Vinod, correct. Why others are not responding? Why like this? Yes, Joel, proper. Okay, so 8 minus of minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Then 12 minus 12, 0. 4 minus 6. So guys, how much is 4 minus 6? 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. Minus 2. Bigger number sign is 2. Minus, correct? Then 0 minus 15. So guys, 0 minus 15. Again, the bigger number sign is minus, right? So 0 minus 15 is minus 15. I hope you are done with this. Okay, so now the next question, guys. So I'll copy the first matrix as it is. So the first matrix is minus 1, 2, 4, 3, minus 1, 3, then 1, 1, 0, plus, guys, multiply second matrix by half. So how to do that? Simple. So you need to multiply this. 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 by 2 is 2. Correct? Then multiply this by 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2. 1 by 2. Then minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 2 is minus 1. So guys, still here, do you have any doubts in the first row? I hope you are getting this. So I'll go ahead. Now 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. Again here, 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 as it is. Then 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2. 0 into 1 is 0. So 0 by 2 is 0. Basically 0 into anything is 0, correct? Then 0 into half is 0. So guys, now we need to add this. So come on, help me. How much is minus 1 plus 2? Minus 1 plus 2, guys. Yes, so minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Then now 2 plus 1 by 2. So guys, how much is 2 plus 1 by 2? 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. I got only 4 responses. 9 students are attending the class, but only 4 are responding. Okay, 5 responses now. So guys, you need to participate, or else how will I come to know that you're understanding or not? Okay, so now we need to simplify this. 2 into 2, cross multiply. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's 5 by 2. Why Yuvraj and Vinod are not responding? 5 by 2. Then 4 plus into minus is minus. So guys, it's 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 plus 1. So guys, how much is minus 1 plus 1? Minus 1 plus 1? Yeah, it's 0. Then 3 plus half. I want each and every one of you to respond to this question. 3 plus 1 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2. Yes, that is 7 by 2. See, 3 plus 1 by 2. Cross multiply this. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 plus 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. How come it is 7 by 5? Vinod, see, denominator is 2, correct? You should write the same denominator. Then 1 plus 3 by 2. So guys, how much is 1 plus 3 by 2? 1 plus 3 by 2. Yes. So that is 5 by 2. Then 1 plus 0. So guys, how much is 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0. Okay, so 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. So guys, question number 6. So now the question number 6 is we need to find the values of x and y. And they said minus 9, 2, minus 5, minus 1 is equals to xy. So now copy the question, guys. We need to find the values of x and y. So quickly, please copy the question. So the question is minus 9, 2, minus 5, minus 1 equals x, y. So guys, first see what is the sign here? Subtraction, right? So now I'll subtract these two. Minus 9 minus y. Minus 9 minus 5. Guys, how much is minus 9 minus 5? Minus 14. Then 2 minus of minus 1. So guys, please respond to this. 2 minus of minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is equals to x and then y. So they are equal matrices, right? Both are equal because in between what is the sign? Equals. So we call it as equality of matrices. In place of x, we got minus 14, right? Therefore, the value of x is minus 14. The value of y is 3. Done? Are you done with copying? Shall I go to the next question? All right, so I'll go to the next question. Please copy this question, guys. A equals 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3x plus 1 and B equals 3, 5, 1, 6, 4, 3. Find x given that A equals B transpose. Find x such that A equals B transpose. So guys, what is given in the question? I'll concentrate on this equation. They said A equals B transpose. A equals B transpose. So now we know that A matrix is 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3x plus 1 equals B transpose. So guys, here also please convert rows into columns. B transpose, convert rows into columns. Here the first row is 3, 5, correct? Convert that into column 3, 5. So guys, second row is 1, 6. Convert that into column 1, 6. Third row is 4, 3. Convert that into column 4, 3. So now what is the question, guys? We need to solve for x, correct? Find the value of x. So here in place of 3x plus 1, the corresponding element is 3, correct? In between we got equal sign, therefore they are equality of matrices, both are equals. In place of 3x plus 1 we got 3, correct? I will equate that. 3x plus 1 equals 3. 3x equals plus 1. Please help me. Plus 1. If you shift this to other side, what you will get? Minus 1, correct? So that's 3 minus 1. So 3x equals 3 minus 1 is 2. And x equals, this is into 3. If you shift into to other side, you will get division, correct? So 2 divided by 3. This is the value of x. So the next question is solve for x and y. X into 2, 1 plus y into 3, 5 plus 4, 6 equals 12, 17. So guys, here x is a scalar. So now I'm doing scalar multiplication. So multiply this matrix by x, guys. 2 into x is 2x. Then 1 into x is 1x. Plus multiply second matrix by y. Here the scalar is y. I'm doing scalar multiplication. So 3 into y is 3y. Then 5 into y is 5y. Plus 4, 6 equals 12, 17. So now I will shift this matrix to other side. This is plus, correct? So plus on the other side becomes minus, right? So 2x, 1x plus 3y, 5y equals 12, 17 plus becomes minus on the other side. So minus 4, 6. So now guys, in between, what is the sign here? Plus, correct? So now I will add these two. I'll perform addition operation here. So 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, and here add this, guys. So 1x plus 5y, correct? 1x plus 5y equals, I'll subtract these two matrices because in between, what is the sign? Minus, correct? So 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 17 minus 6. So guys, how much is 17 minus 6? 11. Correct? So now, in between we got equal sign. So both are equality, right? Both are equals. So first equation will be 2x plus 3y equals 8. 2x plus 3y, the corresponding element of 2x plus 3y in the other matrix is 8, right? So 2x plus 3y equals 8 and 1x plus 5y equals 11. So now we need to solve these two equations. So to find out the values of x and y, you can solve these two equations under simultaneous linear equation method or substitution method. So I will solve this under simultaneous linear equation method. So to solve these two under simultaneous linear equation method, so first of all, I'll name these two equations. This I'll call it as equation 1 and then I'll call it as equation 2. Now, the coefficient of any one variable, either x variable or y variable, must be same, correct? So here x coefficient is 2, here x coefficient is 1. So now tell me guys, how to make these two same? Tell me, please start in me guys. You have studied simultaneous linear equation method in first PUC as well as in elementary school, right? Okay, so into 2 for which equation? To which equation, guys? To equation 1 or to equation 2? Yes, for the second equation. For the second equation, I'll do into 2. Multiply 2 to the second equation. So I'll write first equation as it is, equation 1 as it is. I will subtract equation 2 multiplied by 2, correct? So first equation as it is, 2x plus 3y equals 8. So now second equation, to the second equation I'll multiply by 2. So 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 5 will be 10y, and that is equals to 11 into 2 will be 22. So please change the signs. plus becomes minus. So 2x will get cancelled, guys. 2x will get cancelled, correct? 2x and then 2x will get cancelled. So now 3y minus 10y. So guys, please help me. How much is 3y minus 10y? No, Ujjwal, wrong answer. 3y minus 10y. Anita, Sinchana, Chandrika, correct. Ujjwal, now it's correct. Pooja, correct. Joel, no, it's wrong. Joel, please try again. Guys, 3y minus 10y. 3y minus 10y, guys. 3y minus 10y is minus 7y. 3 minus 10. So here the bigger number is 10, correct? And 10 got negative sign. So 3 minus 10y is minus 7y. And that is equals to 8 minus 22. So guys, how much is 8 minus 22? 8 minus 22 is minus 14. Therefore, y equals, this is minus 7 into y. So now shift this minus 7 to other side. So into, if it goes to other side, it becomes division, right? So minus 14 divided by minus 7. So minus minus will get cancelled. So the value of y will be 2, correct? 7 2s are 14, correct? So now we got y value. So you help me now how to find out x value. We need to substitute this y value either in equation 1 or in equation 2 to get the x value, correct? So put y equals to either in equation 1 or in equation 2. I'll substitute this in equation 1. So 2x plus 3y equals 8. So 2x plus 3 into y. Guys, in place of y, I will substitute 2. Okay. So 3 into 2 equals 8. So 2x plus 3 into 2. So guys, how much is 3 into 2? 6 is equals to 8. Therefore, 2x equals, shift 6 to other side. 8 minus 6. And 2x is equals to, how much is 8 minus 6? 2. And x is equals to into 2 becomes divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is the value of x.